Right, hold on. Say it again.
Don't take my picture though. No, I don't want that. Thank you for the placemat, coffee cups,
You always wanted it?
and the plug is really cute. I love it.
What is it, Jonah?
Oh my goodness, it's a light
Light bright.
Whoa! What a lucky duck you are.
Look over here.
Goodbye, Grandma.
What?
But that's from Uncle Glenn and Auntie Marie and Caitlin and Melissa. Look at me though. Look at the camera.
Thank you, Uncle Glenn and Caitlin and Mom. There's
And who else?
Abby.
How about Auntie Marie? Okay.
What did you say about Grandma there for a second?
Thank you, Grandma.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Okay. Bye bye, everybody.